The perfect photography business should look something like this: whole, complete, easy to see the value in, and nicely packaged. There's so many photographers out there, even the ones who've got the packaging perfect, possibly even you. Once you start to peel back the layers, you discover that what they're not selling is a complete fruit. They're actually selling something with the pieces missing. And today I want to see what we can do to help you fix that, to help you improve your business and hopefully get more clients and sell more photos. So let's start off with the first segment that is so often missing, and that is clear pricing. I'm not asking you to overwhelm people with pricing. I'm not asking you to list everything you sell on your website, but make sure that you're not creating barriers for people to book a shoot with you and spend money with you. People need to know roughly how much something's going to cost them to be able to commit to doing it, particularly if you're charging a premium price. Trying to hide your prices just means that people aren't going to trust you. And those clients who have been burnt in the past by photographers who hid their pricing and then stung them with premium pricing are not going to book a shoot with you. They want to know upfront roughly how much they're going to spend. So be upfront, but keep it simple. Next piece gone. Marketing. So many of you are invisible. Where are you? Who are you? I see you posting beautiful pictures on Instagram. Your website's full of lovely shots, but I don't know who the photographer is. It's fine when I book a doctor's appointment. I don't know who my doctor's going to be. I just trust that they're going to fix my leg. But when I'm booking a photographer who's potentially going to take intimate photos of me or pictures of me with my family, I'd like to know who they are and why they do it and what they're all about. So don't hide online. Make sure that you are visible. If you haven't ever recorded a video introducing yourself to potential clients, talking about who you are and what you do, maybe that's something that you could focus on today. Whether that's recording a video for your website, recording some Instagram Reels or some TikTok videos, just make sure you do something. Put yourself out there. I know as photographers we like to be on the other side of the camera, but it's really important that your potential clients understand who you are. Missing piece number 3. It's the client experience. And this is a big one. See, we're getting quite a gaping hole in our fruit now. You need to lock down your client experience from the moment someone contacts you as an initial inquiry through to you delivering their beautiful photos to them. It doesn't matter how great you are with a camera. If you are dropping the ball and being slow to respond to inquiries or failing your clients at any point in their experience with you, it's going to have a detrimental effect on your business. Our Satsuma is starting to look pretty sloppy, and this next one is going to make it even worse. Let's take off 2 segments for that. Confidence. If you don't believe in yourself, how can you expect the general public and your potential clients to believe in you? Too many of you are afraid to say no, to set boundaries. But once you've been in business for a while and you realize how much of an absolute headache it is every time you agree to do something completely random because a client wanted it and you didn't want to turn away the work, you will soon realize that there's a very good reason for setting boundaries. Establish how you do things and be confident about your prices. No one wants to book the photographer who's like, it's going to be £200. Is that okay? Is that all right? Because I know it's a lot, but is that okay? That doesn't instill confidence in your clients. Every time you fail to do that, another piece disappears. So if this is what your business looks like, let's fix it. Let's be confident. Let's show up in our marketing. Let's improve our client experience. I don't want you selling clients a manky Satsuma. I want you selling them this.